guys, welcome to another episode of the Gadgetsmith. For today's video, we are going to be making one of my most favorite projects, the dart gun launch. This project is actually very powerful. It shoots this pen dart over 10 feet. Plus, it's super cheap and easy to make. I found all of the materials for this just laying around inside my house, and it only took me 5 minutes to pull this off. This project uses a pen spring to propel this improvised ink cartridge 10 feet away. It's super cheap, super easy, and super fun to make. I hope you enjoy it.
Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to need today is cardboard. We'll need 2 pieces. The first should be about 4 inches long and about 1 centimeter wide. Super thin. The next piece of cardboard should be about 3 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. These pieces of cardboard should be thin enough to cut through, but thick and sturdy enough to not bend. We're also going to need a plastic straw, a glue gun, and a pen with a spring inside. We're also going to need scissors and a paper clip. Finally, we're going to need a 1-inch strip of cardboard or cardstock. It should be 1 inch wide and should be long enough to wrap around. It is also good to have a ruler around, to have precise measurements. The first thing that we're going to do is take apart the pen. You're only going to need 2 things, the pen spring and the ink cartridge. You need the ink cartridge to be thin. It cannot be thick like this one. Once you have these 2 pieces, you can throw away the rest. Make sure that the pen can fit into the spring like this. The next thing that we need to do is cut the straw. We only need about 1.5 inches for this project. Cut it like so. Now take the spring and put it into the straw like this. Now glue the spring into one side of the straw. Make sure to keep the inside of the spring free of glue. As you can see, the pathway through the straw and spring is still clear. Make sure that the ink cartridge can go through like this and stop at the spring. The next thing that you're going to do is cut the cardboard. Take both pieces of cardboard and take the rectangular one and cut it exactly in half. Then cut it into a circle. You're going to want to cut the other one into a circle as well. you're gonna end up with these two circles. The next thing that you're going to do is glue this spring straw thing onto one of the cardboard circles. Make sure that it's secure. You're gonna want to put some extra glue on just to make sure that it's really on there. Now take this strip, the really thin strip, and glue it around that disc. But first you're gonna want it on both sides of it, so that there is a hole in the strip where the straw is going to, well, where the straw is. You'll see how. Measure it, then cut it, then glue it on. You're going to end up with something like this. Make sure that there are holes in the cardboard where the straw is going to be going. And make sure that the pen ink cartridge can do this. Make sure that it can move freely like that. Now, you're going to glue the other cardboard disc onto that to make it a cardboard case around the straw. Also be sure that this is very secure, because this is the base of the whole watch. This is the watch itself. Now glue the watch onto the cardstock strap. You're gonna want the straw pointing forward. Now if you would like, you could also do it like that so that you would be shooting sideways. But for this, in this video, I'm gonna want to make the dart shoot forward. You're gonna want it to look like either this or that. Now you have this. Sample it, like wrap it around your arm like that and cut any slack off. In the end, it should look like this. I used a paper clip to keep the two ends of the strap together, and you could also use tape. Alright, now let's decorate. I'm going to be using black paint, white paper, and also some of the black cardstock that we were using a while ago. So get some of the black cardstock and fold it like this, and this is optional. This is only if you want to add a little bit of extra on it. And then glue it on like so. You don't have to do it to yours, but I'm going to paint mine black. In my opinion, it makes it look a lot cooler.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing. And if you have any suggestions for future builds, feel free to comment below. And I'll see you next time on the Gadgetsmith.